Hello, my name is John Lewis with IamDisciple.com, and in this video I'm going to give you a review of WordPress directory themes and one WordPress directory plugin. So first off, this video would be great for people who are trying to build a niche directory using WordPress, and so that is what we're doing. So first off, we're in the back end of my site, blurring out a few items here so you don't know what my niche is. Hopefully I don't want to reveal my niche just yet. So we're going to go into themes. I'm going to just prove to you some of the themes that I've purchased, and I had to purchase these, and after purchasing I found out some of them had some of the options that didn't have the options I was looking for. So we have the Vantage Directory theme by I can't remember their names. We'll go on that further later. And then I also have a plugin that's for a directory plugin. So let's go find my plugins. And that plugin's name is SubA. I believe that's SubA Directory plugin. I believe that's how it's called, with how it's pronounced. And so I'm going to give you a brief review of this, and if you want to see a full review, side-by-side reviews, you can go to my website, click the link in my description below, and you can see a side-by-side review of each of these, three themes and one plugin. So I bought two themes. One of them, one of the reviews is just the version. I didn't get the I didn't buy it. I just had the playground version, so I was able to go in and actually create items inside there and save it. So I had a just a playground version. I don't know how else to say it. So it was great though. But anyways, here we go. Moving on. So the first one is the SubA Directory plugin. This is the upsides of this plugin is it's only $25. The downsides, the reason why I didn't stick with it, I bought it thinking, okay, this looks like it'll work for me. You have the ability to import databases, external databases into this. So if you can find a list of, let's say you're doing a directory for roofers or something like that, if you can find a list of those in a database, you can import them right in. And actually, let's back up for a second. Certain things I was looking for in my directory, I was wanting a directory that would be user-friendly, that no matter if you're a business owner or if you are a customer looking for, let's again use the example of roofers, maybe you're looking for a roofer, I want it to be super easy for the person to come to the site and know exactly where they need to go, what they need to do to find out what they're looking for. For a business owner, the Add Business button is very important, so I like that about the SubA Directory. For a user, having a search box that's easy to find. I didn't think that this was a no-brainer search box, and one thing about the SubA Directory, from my understanding, you can't have the plugin doesn't operate on the home page so much, and so like the search bar is not here and stuff. There might be ways around that and all that, but really the kicker that convinced me that I didn't need or didn't want this plugin was the SEO options weren't up to par for me. I wanted to be able to edit the titles, which is found here in the H1, H2 tags down here, and I wasn't able to do that without hacking, you know, the plugin or something. And so I decided to move on for that. And so I wanted something user-friendly. I wanted a directory that was SEO-friendly. I can go in there and make the edits that I needed to. I wanted the ability to import a database from an external database into the directory, and I wanted a responsive website. This one, SubA, covered all those except for the SEO-friendly. Didn't work for me. And user-friendly, I don't know, I'd give it maybe a 5 out of 10. But as far as businesses adding, you know, their sites, it's pretty simplified. And we'll just hit this add button. So pretty simplified stuff. But alright, so that was one of them that I bought, and now let's check out another one. This is the Geo theme. I'll show the front end first. I looked at this one. This is one that they actually allow you to have a playground set up so you can test it out, see how it works for you, and that's what I was doing. So I didn't actually purchase it, and it's $85 is how much this theme currently is going for. What I didn't like about it, if you go in the back end, it's not simplified. It's even for me, and I work on WordPress websites a lot, different themes, and one thing that I look for in themes is I don't want it to have all these millions of different bells and whistles, because what usually ends up happening just with anything, whether it's an appliance or a car or anything else, and the more bells and whistles you have, the more things that break on them. So and when there's updates and things in the future, sometimes the plugins and all that don't play nice. So and I just didn't like the theme. Just wasn't working for me, so I decided not to go with the Geo theme. And I believe, if I remember right, SEO friendliness wasn't there that I liked, and I think the mobile theme looked kind of goofy. It just wasn't fitting for me, so I didn't purchase that one. This theme I did purchase. It's Directory by 8 Themes, I think that's how you pronounce that, and the SEO friendliness wasn't there for this one, and the straw that broke the camel's back is you cannot import databases externally unless you went in from into your cPanel backend, not just for the WordPress backend. There's ways of getting around all this stuff, but I didn't want to mess with it. So and this theme costs $55, and it looks nice and all that. It just didn't have some of the things I was looking for. So what I end up getting finally in the end, as I was checking out the Vantage theme, and again, I'm going to give you if you go to my website description below, I have a link to it, side-by-side review of all 4 of these, and I'll give the pros and cons plus prices and all that kind of stuff. So here's the Vantage theme. This is the one I end up going with. Search engine friendliness is out of a 1 to 10 scale, maybe I'd give it an 8, because I'm able to change the titles, but the H1, H2 tags, I had to do some rigging on my side. I just got in the code and changed it here, which I have the ability to do that. Wasn't too big of a deal, and I'm gonna have to do that for some of my inner pages. But I think that this theme is really good for, it meets 99.5% of my criteria I was looking for. The rest I can make it work. And so here it is. One thing I was looking for is for my viewer or customers coming in looking for, let's say, roofers. They know exactly, here's a search bar right in your face. You can't miss it. So they know exactly where to start their search at. For business owners that are wanting to list, there's a huge button right here, and I'm not going to have events on mine. I'll just have add business now. And the back end for business owners can come in here and make their changes, whatever they want. So as you can see, they have the option for recurring payment. So if you want to set it up so the business is paying yearly or monthly or whatever it is, you can do that right here in the back end. So there's potential of making money there. So my plan with my directory is to make money off ads, and also the some of the listings where business actually come in and claim their listings and stuff. So, and I'm going to show you, so you can separate, make categories, whether it's by state or by city or whatever you want, however you're doing your directory. Or yeah, so let's check out the back end real quick. And this is one thing that I really liked about the back end, was it was very easy, very simplified. There's not a ton of okay, what do I do here? You can import. You have listing importer right here, so you can import listings. You do have to have the titles in your columns have to be correct in your CSV file, but I'll have a sample on my site too if you want to check that out. Yeah, so you can, but you can import. That's one of the biggest upsides of this theme. I mean, it's if you can't import a database, what use is it, right? So, and then payments, we see this. You can set it up. It's via PayPal. You can set it up with PayPal. It's how the payments can come in. And they have also other plugins that you can purchase through app themes to get to do just to do better your your directory. You can have different ways of collecting payments and stuff. Yeah, so the custom forms, I haven't even touched that yet, but yeah, this is a pretty good theme. Like I say, if the things that I wanted, it covered 99.5% of all my needs, and so I went with Vantage Theme, and so far so good. It's working for me, and I hope to maybe in the future show you guys some stuff whenever the directory takes off and stuff. I'll be able to show you, hey, this is some income I'm getting from it. I don't know if I'll reveal the domain name and different things like that, but it has been the best product that I've bought thus far for a directory theme. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope this review helped you at least a little bit, and you can again go to my website, click the link in the description below. You can go directly to my website and see the side-to-side reviews. I'm going to have detailed information about each one of these themes and the one plugin, what options they include, and all that kind of stuff. And also, if you purchase any of these plugins or themes from any of my affiliate links, I'm going to also send you a link to a place where you can get databases, so you can import large databases into your website, and that information will also be on this post. So let me think, what else do I have? Also, if you are some of this SEO stuff doesn't make sense to you, or you're starting out with affiliate marketing or anything like that, you can also go to my website, and I'll also have my free tutorial for you to sign up for, and of affiliate marketing tutorial. So check that out too. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and ask. Thank you very much, and have a good day.